Welcome to Bruges. We're here at Rosary Quay, taking in one of the most famous sites in all of Belgium.
And today, we're going to try one of the most famous dishes in the whole world.
That's right, the whole world.
And I bet you're wondering, what world famous dish comes from Belgium?
Today, we're going to try the humble fry.
Yes, sorry, Americans, yeah, they're not from France.
The origins of fries are contentious. The French insist that they had the idea first, while the Belgians are petitioning UNESCO to prove that the fries belong to them.
One particularly popular origin story here in Belgium is centred around the town of Namur. Now there, they used to love their fried fish, and one year the river froze over. So they had no choice but to fry potatoes instead.
As we said, this is a pretty sore topic,
Yeah.
so we're not going to delve any further.
Yeah, don't want to upset anybody, do
No,
we?
no. But on the way to grabbing our frites, we thought we might as well check out the local church, which is famed for its mega tall tower.
So as we all know, fries can vary greatly, from the thinner fast food style to the chunkier ones you might find in a British pub.
And the Belgians have got a style all of their own, which traditionally is not vegan as it's cooked in beef fat. So don't make that mistake as you're wandering the cobbled streets looking for a tasty snack.
The place we're headed is called Fritbar, and they cook their fries in 100% plant-based oil, making them vegan friendly.
A traditional frites stall usually offers a wide range of sauces, with the most iconic of these being mayonnaise. And Fritbar is not going to disappoint because they also offer a vegan mayo.
You have me at mayo. Let's go. Here they are. Look at them. Golden and delicious. I'm going to give the first one a try. They even give you a little chip fork, but I'm not going to use that. It's finger food, this. Vegan mayo. Everything you want in a good chip.
Smell so good. It was really hard just watching Mike eating this. It's my turn now. The vegan mayo is amazing. Oh, so good. Okay guys, it's time to eat.
Cheers.
So those fries were amazing. They were everything I wanted them to be. They were crispy and warm and golden and salty and oh, yes.
You're running out of adjectives.
I'm running out, yeah.
The fries were great. The mayo was fantastic too. Man, I've not tasted mayo that good in quite some time. And to think it was vegan as well, just blew my mind. Blew my mind.
It was so good and the staff was so friendly. I love the ambiance. I love Fritbar. Everything I can say is yay, Fritbar!
Where did you get those from?
They were in the chips. I didn't steal them.
For your strange collection
Yeah,
of fries-based items.
exactly.
That's Kyra for you. In the meantime, guys, there's only one thing you need to remember. Well, first, if you don't mind, click like and subscribe. Otherwise, don't forget, eat your greens.